This is the tutorial how we install HTML email signature on Outlook account. So go back your Outlook interface. So at the very first time you need to click new email. Okay. Then you need to click the signature option. Okay. And under the signature click a new button, type a name, okay, and go back to your HTML file. Okay, open your HTML file, yeah, and select the signature, that's mean Ctrl plus A, and then Ctrl plus C, that's mean copy, Ctrl plus C. Okay. I would like to say again, at the very first time you need to select all the signature, that's mean Ctrl plus A and then Ctrl plus C. Okay, that's mean copy, and go back your Outlook interface, and then in this place just paste here, Ctrl plus V. Okay, yeah, and then you need to click the OK button. Okay, when you try to send a mail, just click signature and find just hi now and then this is mail blah blah blah. Okay, and just click this, and this is the process of HTML email session installing HTML email signature. Okay, thanks.